Gently, because I have it on. Uh-oh. They're going in there. Cockapoo. Oh. Okay, pick up Timmy for me. He's the brown one. Hi, Timmy. Hi, buddy. Put him down. I'll grab that little black boy there with the white face. He's just gonna sit there. He's just fun. Just sitting here. What are you doing, little girlfriend? This thing. Okay. Hey, Tucker. 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 Hi, buddy. Hi. You say hi? Say hi. Hi. There you go. Hi. Okay, put it down. But this is piling on you.
Yeah.
Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? You're too cute. Yes, you are. You're too cute. You're too cute. Shush. Yeah. You know who we have here. Hey, Trina. Trina, say hi. Say I'm cute. Bye, me. That's Tina. Tina. She's got such a pretty coat. Gosh, she needs baths. Yeah. Okay, turn this one that's right on the top. Yeah. Get it. You put your hand. Gee, hello. My name's Toby. Yeah, I'm looking cuter every day. Quit moving. Okay, turn that around. Oh, look at my pretty coat. Okay, put it down. There we go. We're going after that box finally. Look at, she's got the box. Okay, black girl. Hi, Trixie. Hi, Trixie. What are you doing? Hi, baby girl. Hi. Okay, you put it down. Knock it off! Mr. Brown, Mr. Brown and White hair.
Lacey, get.
Oops. Put your hands under his butt. Hey, handsome. What you doing? What
Lacey.
you doing? Your pretty blue eyes. Yeah. Okay, you put it down. Oh, so quickly. Can't move that
Lacey.
fast. Such a brat. Cut it off here in a minute. Gina.
Kizzy.
Bitch.
Shut up.
That's what we want. We want to play, so get some placement. Look at you. You're going crazy. You're going crazy. Yeah. I'm gonna bite my hand. Bite my hand. Bite my hand. Okay, bite my shoe. Oh. Thanks, Lacey. Spot. Lacey, get out of the picture.
Lacey, go on.
You stay right here with me. Pretty girl. You put your finger. Look at you. You're a crazy girl. That one outside. I knew they'd do that as soon as I came in here. She's funny. She's really curious about what's over there. Trina.
So.
There she is. That's Dad's phone. Oh. As far as it runs out, I guess so. He knows about that fight. Okay. Up to 6 minutes. So grab him and him together. The two at you. Yeah. There's your boys. You see, look at them. Almost look like twins. No, they're markings. Okay. Okay, now I want you to grab Trina there. That's who I want. Yeah, I want to get some good pictures of her. Yeah, turn her around. So you can see her pretty back. Oh, look at her. She's so pretty. Okay, we are all done. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.